Here's Calibre Strength Training app. So quite a popular fitness app. Is a science-based fitness program that incorporates strength and conditioning, nutrition, and habit formation to help you achieve your fitness goals for good. Try it on your own for free via the Calibre app or work with a Calibre coach for even faster progress towards your goals. Personalized training plans, detailed exercise tutorials, speaker training lessons, groups, strength balance, and all of the things like that. So here is the app, and this is the overview. So here's your home. This is just, obviously they just offer you to upgrade yearly $72, 7-day free trial, monthly $12 per month. And then, you can just get, and you have calendar, and then you just add in a workout. And the really cool thing about this app is that it just has all of these really cool video tutorials for all types of workouts and all types of exercises. So here you can see barbell deadlift. You can see this exercise, and then you can easily set up timer for that. You can add a stopwatch for that. You can do some calculation, and then you can get expert feedback. So you can just, do it at your home, at your gym, take a video of you and get expert feedback. And then you can quickly add all of these sets from here. So that's the idea. That's what this app is cool about. And then you have all of these kind of really nice overview of exercises. So that you can just see the nice video of it. That's basically the idea. And then you have all types of, there is also freestyle workout. That's like you add in yourself. Then there is cardio. Then you have like boxing, whatever. You can add body stat, which you can also add. Progress photo you can also add. So you just kind of like document your fitness journey with this app. So quite cool. So here you see, for example, the overview of each exercise, and then you can see all of the details about it. So quite cool. Quite cool app. And then, then you can just see for legs what you can do. And then, all kinds of things. So pretty cool app. If you don't know how to do exercises and if you're just a beginner, super nice app. So quite nice. And then you have also all the plans. There is a workout library by different coaches. There is nutrition plans. There are groups. So there are like public groups which you can chat in. And then, then there is your account, calendar, progress charts. You can see your body stats. You can see number of exercises, photo gallery, lessons, one-on-one coaching, and then you can also refer friends. So then there is a referral code in here. So feel free to use my referral code, by the way. So that's basically the idea. So feel free to use that. Then you can enable offline feature settings, my account, dark mode, Apple Health Connect chronometer. So that's the idea. Quite cool app. Definitely recommend. And you have a lot of things in here for free.